Drop it.
Good day everyone. This is our Python project, a speech recognition. As you can see in this video, it is an audio visualizer time domain. But instead of using a voice as an input like I'm doing now, we will use a function generator and will plot the output of the given frequency, which we will show you in the later part of this video. Since our project is a feature of speech recognition and is required to use a microphone for the inputs, we should install PyAudio and the speech recognition. So in installing that, we must go to Anaconda prompt, and to install PyAudio, pip install PyAudio, and pip install speech recognition. After you install it, you can now start on your project. And this is our Python project, the real-time audio visualizer or oscilloscope. We imported NumPy, PyAudio, and Matplotlib. NumPy or NumPy for computing the waveforms, PyAudio because we are using the microphone, and Matplotlib because we are plotting the waveforms. And as you can see, there's a class in here. We use class because some of the Python code suggested that if your project is a real-time like ours, you should use class. And in this class, it has a different fixed function, the init, loop, audio input, FFT, which is the fast Fourier transform, and the graph plot. So the first function is this, it's a def init with the instance variable self. This function is a setup for the audio, or what will the project or the program will collect if they receive the inputs in the microphone. And as you can see above it, the format channels, rate, chunk, start, and end, these are the informations that we should set in this function for us to be able to collect the informations we needed in the input of the microphone. So our next function is the loop. This loop, it functions also as an infinite loop because since our project is a real time, if you run this or if you run our project, you will see that it will keep on showing if you were unable to close or exit your output. But with the code of except keyboard interrupt and with the shortcut key Control C, you just go to your console and type Control C. It prints that your program has ended. So if you view your output, you will see that the wave has stopped, and you will be able to close your output program. The next function is the audio input function. This function will read the input voice and turn it into a signal that the computer will understand, or simply getting the information in the audio or in the microphone. Next is the FFT function, where the fast Fourier transform equation written. And the last function is the graph plot, where the plotting of real-time sine wave happen. The x-axis we labeled as time and the y-axis as amplitude. And the last code, this if name equal main, run is equal to the name of the class. This code execute the whole program as the main or the top level program. It is also used to run all the codes in class concurrently. And there you have it. This is our program. In the next clip, you will see the output of our project with the input using the function generator. This video will show an output sine wave with the use of the input frequency coming from the function generator.